Hey everyone, welcome back to yxxser. Today we're diving into the art of creating stunning thumbnails for your videos. Thumbnail can make all the difference in attracting viewers. Now open Photoshop. Create new. Write a 2048 in width and 1152 in height. Of course, pixels. Let's start. Go to Shapes and select Rectangle. Then, select this preset, and voila! Click here to change color. I choose this color, but you can choose any color that you need. Adding fire texture. Easily go to Google and write fire texture, for example. And you will find a lot of them. So go here and select lighting. Go to opacity and leave it 75%. Click Ctrl and select the two layers and right button, then group from layers. Adding reactions PNG. And adding Photoshop logo PNG. Ctrl+T. Control and click right button, then click on Merge Layers. Click 2 clicks on the layer, then adding some effects. Now we need some text on our thumbnail. Write any text you need. For example, make like that. 2 clicks and added some effect, stroke, glow, texture, etc. Now tap Ctrl+T on keyboard for edit text size. Now press Alt and move your mouse down. Make thumbnails. Ctrl+D. Adding an emoji for more attractive. Change thumbnail's color to the red. Add an arrow. And finally adding YouTube logo. Thanks for watching.